Hello guys, how are you? Um, an update on the Hawker Hurricane 1/24th scale from Airfix. Well, as you can see, I've been working on it. I'm not satisfied with this part over here. It had some fitting issues here, here, and with this part that I was able to assemble it here of the engine. Um, the model itself was, let me zoom out a little bit, okay? The model itself, well, 20 years separates the Spitfire 124 from this one. Almost 20 years, I guess. And the issues that the Spitfire had on the wings, they don't exist anymore. However, on the engine, when I placed the engine, I did it, I reviewed the steps, you know, I was reviewing the steps, and I noticed that I've done everything by the book. I'm being honest with you, I've done everything by the book. I reviewed twice, and well, I have to glue this part here, okay, these two parts. But as you can see here, this part of the front of the plane is little tilted forward, not straight, and this gives me a problem. Um, I thought it was the distance here between the cockpit and the radiator, and you know, but no, it's all by scale and all by, and the model is a great model. I don't want to use this as an excuse. The model is a very cool model. I believe that maybe at some point maybe I've made a mistake that I didn't knew, and well, probably that would increase the distances between, and you know, when you make a mistake on one part, it goes eventually harm the other part, and so on and so forth. So I guess not, but well, I tried to. I'm a little bit divided right now, as you can probably know and notice, between placing the plane in flight mode or landed. And why? Well, I will be totally honest with you. First I thought, well, I'm going to put it landed and with the panels open. Okay, no problem. So let me put a little bit of light here. So I'm trying to place the landing gear here, and it has fitting issues. I can try and well, it's a challenge, okay? Adapt and overcome. I don't get tired of saying this. I can try and turn this problem over to my benefit and resolve it. Okay. And like that, I can actually, and I'm being honest, because the engine, it's very good if I do say so myself. I can leave the panels open. I mean, I've done this chipping, as you quite remember, and all. So, however, if I won't be able to overcome these fitting issues, because sometimes you just can't. And again, I'm not saying the model is wrong. I'm saying that probably on the stage of the building I could have done any mistake. Well, I don't know. I don't want to be arrogant saying that no, I built it well, because if I build the plane, assembled the plane correctly, why the hell is he going through these mistakes? So I reserve my opinion. I think that probably on some stage I've made some mistake. I prefer thinking that way and work from there. But if I put it on flight, I will have to, I mean, I could not, because the model, don't get me wrong guys, I bought this model, I assembled it the way I want. However, if I want to place the panels here, it's not fitting well, not because that part still, but the side panels will not fit because this part here is lowering the fitting on the side panels, and if I push them over I could break the whole fit of the engine. So damn, I'm finishing this one, but I wanted it to be a simple build, you know. And the plane it's a gorgeous plane. It's a beautiful plane. I mean, this part here I can send it a little bit, and here also no problem at all. No problem at all. You can see the panel, the shading that I've done, and I didn't have the airbrush. Remember that technique that well, not bad, not bad at all. And I wanted so much to, and I will finish this plane, but well, you know, I'm a little bit not disappointed, but concerned about it, this fitting issues here. So I don't know if I'm placing it on flight, on deck, on wheels, on scrap. I don't know. I will finish it, and I'm going to finish it, but well, I advance a little bit, a little further. I'm sharing with you all these fitting issues. Well, let's hope for the best, but I have to be honest with you guys. I'm not very optimistic right now in which regards to this plane, and it's too bad because I like this plane a lot. And yes, I don't want to disappoint Rob as well. Hi, Rob. Um, but well, let's see how this turns out. It won't be a model for a show off, that's for sure. But well, so guys, oh, the propeller, well, at least the propeller works, right? So all the best to you guys, okay? Keep modeling, please. And if you want to comment or give any advice, please go ahead. I enjoy it. But do not be a rivet counter, okay? Please. Thank you. All the best.